Hello and welcome to my update for this Kickstarter. My name is Sharonda. I will be your designer for your logos and everything. Thank you so much to everyone that has already backed this project. This is amazing. I don't know what I was thinking, but I really was thinking I need to build my portfolio. And what better way than to try to do a Kickstarter to do that? And I am looking so forward to working with each and every person that has backed this project. Thank you so much. We are at 80, I think it's 85%, 82%. In the 80s. And I need just $71 more, which is 2 more logos. If I can get 2 more logos, a $35, $65, even a $95. 95 would cut it. I would need 1. But if I get 2 65s or 3 35s, that'd be excellent. You can also give to the project if you are interested or you just want to help somebody. Please help me. You have not because you ask not. So if you can just donate, I don't want to say the word donate because you can't really donate, but if you want to give to the project, I would greatly appreciate it. I have 5 days. That's not a whole lot of time, but I'm confident that this is all going to work out for my good and for your good. So if you can, pass the word along. If you know someone that's in business that needs a logo, let them know I'm here. I've been doing this for almost 20 years, guys, and I decided one day to get back up, go to school, and see exactly what I was missing. And I'm so excited that I went from a 2.0 student from 20 years ago, and I was in engineering, to a 3.72 or 3.88 in my major. So I'm excited. I'm so excited, and all that you're doing for me right now is much, much, much appreciated. So here's what you get. If you just give, you get a cyber kiss. If you want the $35 logo, you get the logo, and you get it's a black logo in, I think, let me see, PDF, PNG, and EPS forms. And you don't get any revisions because let's face it, $35 for a logo is pretty cheap. But here's what you can use that $35 logo for. You can use it for events, a quick event logo. You can use it as a ministry logo, just something that you can use over and over again. Black does the body good. You can also get a $65 one in your color, whatever color that is. I don't care. I'm going to make sure though that it is professionally done, that you can use it on your letterhead, your graphics, your marketing materials, whatever it is. And so I want to make sure that you get what you want. So with the $65 ones, you get one revision, and then I'm trying to hurry up. The last one is the $95 package. You get a color, you get the black one, and logos. You get a color logo, you get the black logo, and you get in all those forms, the EPS, EPS, PDF, PNG, and then you get a t-shirt. I'm giving you a t-shirt with your logo on it so that you can represent who you are. Come on, that's awesome. So again, thank you so much. Please pass this along, share. I have 5 days to make this thing happen. If I don't get the money, guess what? I don't get to help anybody. In a Kickstarter, you have to get your full thing. So I'm $71 to my goal. So please help me make my goal. If you know me, can you please give to the project? All right. This is also, this is going to help me along the way. It lets me make my portfolio. and raise some funds in a positive way. All right, so take care. Have an amazing day. Pray for me, please. I got 5 days to raise the rest of the money, but I thank you so much. Have a wonderful week. God bless. Take care.